All right, this video is on a BMW X3. This is a 2021. Now, I'm not sure. I know that since there's computer shortages, ECU shortages, chip shortages and things, I looked this up and I could not find a 2021 fuse box location online anywhere. So I did find a site from BMW that I could put in my VIN number and actually found most of the fuses. It looks like the fuse box in this is from a 2019. Now, if you have a 2021, if it's a newer model, I don't know if they pulled old parts to make newer cars because it's a fuse box. It shouldn't matter what year, but it may change where your fuses are or what fuse location you have. So into the glove box, some of the older models were actually in the glove box. So if it's a 20 or earlier, you may have to open your glove box and be able to drop the panel down. 2021, if I can get the camera under here. If you look underneath here, there's a couple of twist tabs, and these turn a quarter of a turn if I can get my fingers in there. One on this side and one on this side. Once you do that, this little panel will drop down. So you pull down evenly, and then it pulls outward. And then your fuse panel is actually located up in there. So I took a snapshot of the fuse panel, and then I'll do a quick, it's about a minute and a half, and I'll list each location and what each fuse is. Now, all the fuses do not have markings on them. I'm assuming BMW is keeping that information for BMW, because if you're a BMW owner, you know they don't like you working on your own vehicles. So basically, they leave a lot of information out. And I think the website said anything after 2019, they no longer put it in your manual either. So you cannot find these fuse locations anywhere unless you're doing a lot of serious digging. Now, put this panel back in. You'll notice up here there's a tab here. There's one on the other side, you can't really see it, but if you look on the panel, you'll see there's a little hole here and a little hole here. You want to line those holes up with the tabs in the back and then lift straight up and in. I'm going to have to pause this because I'm not using a mount of any sort for my camera, so I actually think I might have got it one-handed. So if anyone ever asks, yes, you can do it one-handed. I was going to put the camera down. So back up in, and again, quarter turn. So that's all there is to putting your fuse panel back in. Again, that's a 2019 fuse panel in a 2021 BMW. If you look on the side of your fuse panel, you'll see a number on the side of it, like a serial number. You can go online and you can Google that. And I'll also put a link in the description below of the website I used to actually run the VIN number for your particular vehicle. And again, it doesn't pull up all the fuse panels in here. The only one that pulled up on mine was the one in the glove box. So hopefully that helps somebody out.